Hello, Dr. Kenfield, Hammond Doc. On the desk, I have a Leslie cable. Now, this is a beautiful Leslie cable. In fact, it looks brand new. The problem I'm having with this cable, however, is that when I move the cable at the end of the organ here, the organ cuts out. The sound cuts out. And so what's cutting out is actually the Leslie amplifier. There's no power going into the Leslie amplifier when I move this, and then it'll cut back on. So that's the problem. A gentleman called me just yesterday, in fact, and he was saying the same kind of thing to me. He was saying that he was losing power in his organ, and I had him to check his cable, and his problem was the cable. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to open up this end. Now, typically, I don't have problems with this end of a cable. As a cable, I usually have problems with the female end because, especially at a church, whoever does the cleaning, they're rolling over the cable, and the cable is rolling like this, and it pulls the wires loose inside of the casing in the female end. But in my case, I'm having problems on this end. So let's open this up and see what's going on inside of this cable. Let me take a picture of it. All right. This picture taking capability while videotaping is a feature that I believe my 16-year-old grandson recently introduced me to. Okay, let's see what's going on here. What's up? Why am I having a short on this end of my cable? And as soon as this thing popped off, I see the reason why. Look. Yeah, do I? Wait a minute. Well, oh. Well, that's supposed to be closed off. No, I don't see it so far. I don't. Well, yeah, that's supposed to be closed off because this is a 5-pin. I got to disconnect one of these pins. I got a short on one of these pins. I'm going to cut this on off. But look what they did. They put this in on this thing right here. Put this end on there. I'm going to cut that off. I don't need that. Mm-mm. Yeah, this is a new cable. So what I'm going to do is use an approach or technique taught to me by one of my Hammond organ tech mentors. Brother Steve Santee. That is, inherently, we have an idea of what the problem is likely. That is, there's a disconnection in one of these pins. But the problem is I can't detect which one it is. Well, let's do this. What I was going to say is I'll just solder, heat up each pin, and that should take care of it. But let's see if we get continuity. Let me see if I can get this beeper. Okay. Let's see if we can get identify using my meter which one of these pins is not connected. So we got one, two, three, four, five. Okay. Okay, we got continuity there. Check this side over here. Okay. So these two are fine. We'll get here. There you go. That one's fine. We'll get here. Two more to go. There you got one more to go. All right, so I got continuity for each of these lines. Like I said, I'm getting a short in at least one of these. So I'm going to do as my mentor Brother Steve Santee out of Kansas City taught me. And what that is, we're just going to heat up each one of these ends so that we heat up the solder, and hopefully that will solve the issue. Pull a little solder on here. Yeah, get it going. All right. That should take care of it right there. All right. Put this back together. Let's see. What is it? Where is that? Dot. Yeah, I want to turn it around. There you go. That's how I want it. Okay. All right. So the reason I had to take this end off, the caps off, was to do a visual inspection of the wires, of the wiring. I wanted to see if I could see if there was a loose wire or not, but not seeing one. I just heated up the ends of each pin in hopes that that would solve the problem and resolve the issue. All right, until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.